Russia has officially delivered a new batch of Su-34 fighter bombers to its Air Force, marking a significant advancement in the nation's military modernization efforts amid a wartime production surge. The announcement, made by the United Aircraft Corporation (UAC), comes at a time when Moscow is prioritizing air power as a decisive factor in its ongoing military operations in Ukraine. The Su-34, known by its NATO reporting name Fullback, is a twin-seat, twin-engine strike aircraft developed for deep penetration bombing missions, tactical reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Its arrival adds more strength and endurance to Russia's tactical air fleet, which continues to see intense operational use in the ongoing conflict. Built at the Novosibirsk aviation plant, NATO, one of the cornerstones of Russia's defense industry, the new Su-34s represent the latest iteration of the aircraft series, incorporating advanced avionics, precision targeting systems, and enhanced defensive countermeasures. According to UAC officials, these improvements are part of a broader modernization initiative aimed at ensuring Russian aviation remains resilient against increasingly sophisticated Western-supplied air defenses in Ukraine. The aircraft reportedly features upgraded radar capabilities, digital flight control systems, and an improved cockpit interface, allowing pilots to engage ground and air targets with higher accuracy. The modernization also includes extended range capabilities, enabling long-distance sorties without the need for constant refueling. Defense analysts suggest that the continued production and fielding of Su-34s reflect Russia's wartime adaptation strategy, favoring proven and adaptable platforms that can be mass-produced efficiently over experimental fifth-generation systems such as the Su-57. With the Russian Air Force flying hundreds of combat missions each week, the Su-34 has become the workhorse of strike operations, performing everything from precision bombing and close air support to suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD. Its combination of heavy payload, long range, and crew comfort, rare in combat aircraft, makes it well suited for sustained operations across multiple theaters. The renewed emphasis on Su-34 deliveries also highlights how Russia's defense industrial base has been restructured to meet wartime needs. Despite international sanctions and supply chain disruptions, Moscow has significantly boosted output by extending factory work hours, reactivating older production lines, and mobilizing defense sector specialists. The NATO plant, in particular, has reportedly reached its highest production rate in years, with aircraft rolling off assembly lines at accelerated intervals. Military insiders indicate that these aircraft will soon be distributed among frontline air regiments in Russia's western and southern military districts, where they will reinforce units already engaged in active operations. Beyond the battlefield, the expanded Su-34 fleet also serves a symbolic purpose. It signals Russia's determination to maintain technological and operational parity with NATO air forces despite economic pressure and export restrictions. The Kremlin has emphasized that its domestic aircraft industry remains capable of producing advanced combat aircraft without relying on foreign components, a statement aimed both at domestic audiences and at potential international buyers. The Su-34, with its record of combat performance and continuous upgrades, has become a key export prospect for nations seeking multi-role strike aircraft outside Western alliances. As the conflict in Ukraine grinds on, the Su-34's role continues to evolve. New variants featuring reconnaissance pods, electronic warfare suites, and standoff missile capabilities are reportedly under testing, indicating that Russia intends to further diversify the aircraft's missions. Its adaptability and combat endurance ensure that it will remain a central figure in Russian air operations for years to come. The latest delivery marks not only a reinforcement of Russia's air power but also a demonstration of the country's ability to sustain military production under pressure, sending a clear message that its defense industry remains far from grounded.